What do we have here? The Rangemaster 17-inch portable tabletop gas griddle. So this is like a Blackstone knockoff, same exact size as their 17. I had a Blackstone stolen from a campsite about four years ago or so, and I never replaced it. So if you're near an Aldi store, they put out these various products every week in the summer, and they don't last very long. They call the aisle that they put the stuff out, they call that aisle the Walk of Shame aisle. I don't know why, but I knew that this was coming out, called yesterday, and they said they had 6 near my Aldi. I got there and there were 4 there, so I picked this one up for a whopping $59. That's probably half of the Blackstone. So I'm going to open it up, put it together. I think you got to screw the legs on. Then I'm going to season it, and tomorrow, smash burgers. So I don't have a Blackstone now to make a comparison, but I can speak from experience. So I'll give you my thoughts on this bad boy. And if you're near an Aldi, run. So real quick, out of the box, this is what it looks like. All right. So you have your drip tray, which goes from there to there. This was packed inside here, and I know inside here is the knob that goes there. In this box here is the regulator. There are the legs, and that is the instruction file. That is what's in the box. So I am going to put the legs on. I'll put the knob on, stick the tray in there, the drip tray, and I'm probably going to burn this for a couple of minutes, maybe 10 minutes or so, to wipe it down just to get any residual dirt off, and then I'm going to start to season it. There is a definite way to put these legs on. As you can see here, you have that extra hole for that, and then everything lines up. I wouldn't call it flush, but that's how the legs go on. I don't know if this is an update or not, but I had watched some older videos that said that there was no indication bar, but there dot or whatever, but there certainly is. So you just kind of push this in, turn it, you could snap the piezo. Right? So, but there is an indication bar. And then of course the drip tray just goes in here, and all we have left is the regulator. I'll be using a 20-pound propane tank instead of a little camping one, because for the time being it is too hot to camp in Florida, so we will continue to cook outdoors here. But for now, 20-pound bottle. So I've moved it over to my stainless table here, which is right next to my barbecue. And the regulator is in, and you can see attached to my 20-pound. Now I'm just going to burn off some of the, I don't know, it feels kind of gluey. I'm going to just burn this off for a little bit, and then I'll start to season. So it's piezo, it started right up, and I'm burning it, and I'm just going to get some residual stuff off before I actually start to season it. I don't know what kind of stuff is on here, but I'll burn it off. And this is what it looks like after 2 times. It's windy, so I don't think it's all that even. But I expect it to be a little bit darker up here. I expect this, and then I expect it to be lighter here. Based on the burner, which kind of goes around like that. I don't know if you can see that in there. So, but I think because of the wind, I'm gonna stop, let this sit, and maybe give it a whirl in the morning. It is the next morning, and there is no wind, and I've begun to season it again. You can see it's a little bit more even up in here. I expect it to be a little bit darker here, and then again here. I can't touch that, that's just paper towel. I expect it to be lighter here. So I think we're almost done, and we're gonna use this tonight. And this is what it looks like after our first cook. This is the next day. Kind of cleaned it off, did a little bit of scraping, and now I'm going to heat it up and re-season it, and that's pretty much all we can really say. It works just like a Blackstone. I think it is a Blackstone, to be truthful. So, which griddle is better? Well, folks, they are the same griddle. The caveats are the convenience of ordering on Amazon versus double the price against half the price at Aldi, but one, you need to have an Aldi near you, and two, you got to watch for those weekly specials. This is not a new griddle for Aldi. I've seen reviews that are 3 years old. So it's purely a matter of keeping an eye on the weekly specials at Aldi and being able to go get one. Identical griddles, folks. So if you can get one at Aldi, I would do so. Thanks for watching. I appreciate your time. If you like these product reviews and comparison videos that I put together, please hit the like button, subscribe, all that good stuff. I appreciate you, and keep on camping.